In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. Subtasks are a great way to break a larger task into smaller, more manageable pieces. They help your team see exactly what needs to be done, who's responsible, and in what order. In this walkthrough, I'll show you two simple ways to create subtasks inside a task, so you can choose whichever feels more natural for your workflow. First, make sure you're logged into Asana and looking at the workspace you want to use. Start by selecting a project. You can do this from the left-hand sidebar where all your projects are listed. Click on the project where the task lives. This will open up the project view, usually in list, board, or another layout, depending on how your project is set up. Once you're in the right project, you'll see all of your tasks laid out in front of you. Now, locate the task you want to break down into subtasks. Hover your mouse over that task in the list. One quick way to create a subtask is to right-click directly on the task. When you right-click, a context menu appears. In that menu, look for the option that says Add Subtask. Click that and Asana will immediately create a new subtask nested under that main task. You can then type a clear title for the subtask, press enter to save it, and continue adding more subtasks the same way. If you prefer to work from the task's detailed view, there's another method you can use. Instead of right-clicking, simply click once on the task's name to open the detail pane on the right side of the screen. This pane shows you all the information about that task, like the description, assignee, due date, and any comments. In the detail pane, scroll down until you see the subtasks section. If the task doesn't have any subtasks yet, this area will look pretty empty, but that's okay. Look for the Add Subtask option within that section. Click on Add Subtask, and a new line will appear where you can type the name of your subtask. Again, give it a clear title, press enter, and repeat the process to add as many subtasks as you need. Using either the right-click method or the detail pane method, you're organizing your work in a way that makes complex tasks feel much easier to handle. That's all you need to do to start creating and managing subtasks in Asana.